user can authenticate to the database and then give themselves roles that they should not have, again giving them full access to the database. So we're going to solve that problem.
Martin Tower, Navy on 81 Kilo, midfield.
81 Kilo, clear for the option.
So we have a lot of parameters that are available to us in Oracle. One of them is remote OS rules. Now, if remote OS rules is set to true, a remote user can impersonate another operating system over a network connection. Now, by default, this parameter is set to false. However, I have seen on a couple of occasions that this parameter was set to true. So let's look at this parameter and how we can fix it. And we're going to log on as sysdba and show parameter. And remote OS rules is set to true. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this to false. Now you have to understand you cannot change this parameter and while this system is running, or change it dynamically, I should say. So we set the scope to the SP file, which is the parameter file that we use to start up the database, set it, and then we just bounce the database. And do a shutdown. All right, database has been shut down. Start it back up. And let's go show parameter. And now it is set to false. So in the past, I have seen a couple of places where this was set to true. And when I talked to the DBAs and the developers and the designers, nobody could give me a good reason. We set it back to false, and that did not impact the application. So if you ever see this parameter set to true, find out why and make sure you can get it set back to false.